air. You're on air. Continue.
I report. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Ibe prophet. Ibe prophet. Continue. You have the floor.
Okay, my brother. Guy.
I can hear you.
Now I know that there is a woman being that they are very, very confused human beings who don't have a word of their own.
Igebo.
I was looking at this, honestly speaking, that idiot woman that is staying in France is idiot. It's not a matter of insult.
Okay.
Idiot is not the cause. Because idiot, the meaning of idiot is the person that is inability to reason well. A woman is inability to reason well. Hashem, they shame me. When I look at this woman, honest, I did not watch it too. But the voice that is just, as he's shouting out about here, that woman is a demon in pulpit. Demon in pulpit. Now, I want to ask some people that is used to follow her, because I do follow her. In fact, I call myself a stupid human being by following these idiots. I'm a stupid. I regretted why I started listening to this woman. I'm telling you nothing but the truth, my brother. What is other impact to make sure that Biafra, we have our freedom. Our own impact to grow our page. Our own impact to use strategy to grow our page. Our own impact to be doing saga 24 hours. Our own impact is to reap from Biafras. And I am very sorry for the people that is still listening and following her. It's no matter of calling Adadioramma. That is deceiving in high places.
Truly.
Deceive. And some of our people who have sense, who have common sense, still not understand the light and darkness. I want to ask them, look at what COS said yesterday. COS said he have discovered that majority that is coming to this agitation is to make ourselves rich. Hungry people. He said, it's not that poor people, that we don't have reasonable poor people. We have. But the people that is in this agitation, there are people that want to reach their pockets.